Today we're at Griggs Gulf State Forest in Cortland County. We're going to do some hiking today along some old public forest access roads, snowmobile trails, a lot of bushwhacking. Eventually we're going to hopefully find the hidden waterfall of Griggs Gulf.
All right, come on and hike with us. Woo!
Oh, a little chilly up here.
Okay.
A lot of snow, surprisingly. Looks like they got some recent snowfall maybe last night. It's melting off the trees. And we finally come across the big pond up here, Huckleberry Pond in Griggs Gulf State Forest. Pretty sweet, huh, Luanne?
Yeah, come on, check it out.
Woohoo! And here we are at Huckleberry Pond. It's off the snowmobile trail here in Griggs Gulf State Forest. Several acres large, nice little pond here in the middle of nowhere. And as we walk down the snowmobile trail, that ends here at the public forest access road in Griggs Gulf. We'll be taking a right here. Follow this for a ways before we start searching again for the hidden waterfall. Yeah, one unusual feature here in Griggs Gulf is this old cistern that you can see off the access road. I don't know what that is, like an old well or something from back when this must have been inhabited way back when. Isn't that kind of cool? And once the public access road comes to an end, we start following this other trail, logging road, ATV trail, whatever it is. And boy, they got a lot of snow apparently last night. It's beautiful through here.
A little winter wonderland on top of a mountain. Yay.
And the logging road or ATV trail or whatever that was eventually came to an end on the private property. So we're just gonna follow the edge of the private property as we walk along, bushwhacking. Finding our way, making our way down to the old waterfall, the hidden waterfall of Griggs Gulf. Hopefully we'll get there soon. And we eventually made our way down to the stream. We'll just start following this. Eventually should take us right to the waterfall. And we continue to bushwhack along the stream embankment. Still looking for that waterfall. It's got to be down here somewhere. Oh yeah, you can hear the telltale sign of rushing water. You know the waterfall's got to be right here, and there it is. There it is, dropping over the embankment. Oh yeah, look at that. We found the falls, the hidden falls of Griggs Gulf State Forest. Now to actually get to the falls, we'll have to walk around and below them and check them out from down there. Be a good spot for lunch. Woo, we made it! Griggs Gulf State Forest and the hidden falls. Well, we finally made it to the hidden falls of Griggs Gulf State Forest. What a beautiful sight, water rushing over there. Probably cascading down about 30 feet. Wonderful sight.
Time for lunch.
Time for lunch. And what better place than the shadow of the waterfall for lunch? Beans and franks with chili. Gotta love it.
Yummy.
And that wraps up today's hike of Griggs Gulf State Forest in Cortland County. We hiked a total of about 6 miles today over all sorts of terrain, bushwhacking much of the way, but we eventually found the hidden waterfalls.
Woohoo! See you on the trails!